Hello, this is Prabhat Avasti and we are in the tutorial 2 of Android animation tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to import our Android smart animation library in our project. If you haven't seen that, then you have to see it first. Okay, so in this tutorial, we will teach you how to make a particular animation to a particular view in Android using its ID. So we are using this library for these animations. Please, if you like this library, hit the star. Okay, so how to use this library? We will go in the documentation. Here it is given how to use this library. Now it's the simplest part. All you have to know is about the ID of your view, and then just add a single line of code to animate that view. Okay, let's test it what it is. So first we will copy this. Before that, I will explain you what are the parameters of this function. The first parameter is a view, one viewer ID and its ID, so to whom we want to animate. The second parameter is animation type. Currently it's bouncing down. I will tell about other animation too. Third parameter is duration in millisecond. How much time the animation should be done? It's given 2000 millisecond, i.e. it's 2 seconds. And here it is given delay, how much time it will take to start the animation. And here it is given a fading effect. If you want a fading effect in your animation, just make it true, otherwise you can make it false. So now we will copy this code and go to our project. We have already imported this library, which is taught in tutorial number 1. So here we have main activity, and here we have a text view. This is our text view and its ID is our view. Okay, now we will add an animation to this text view. We will simply write that code in, I'm really sorry, we haven't copied that. Copy. Okay, so here all you have to do is import this class, then import this class and write ID of that animation. Our ID was our view. Okay, we will give animation for 3 seconds. This is 3000 millisecond and a delay of 2000 millisecond, and we will give a fading effect too. So first the animation will be bouncing type. Let's see what happens. So it's uploaded. Now we will see that in emulator. This is our example. First it will wait for 2 second delay, then it will animate for 3 seconds. It's a bouncing down type animation. That's why it's coming from up and to down, and it's bouncing. So if you want to change the animation type, like you want to change a rubber band or zoom or others, you can simply go here. Here's a complete list in the documentation of this library. Here animations are categorized in two parts: non-sliding animation and sliding animation. Mountain line down is a sliding type animation, which is sliding from one place to another, and its default length is set to 1000 dp. Rest of the part about the sliding line we will talk in another tutorial. In this tutorial we will mention about non-sliding animations. So if you want to change animation, I want to change a rubber band animation. I will copy this, simply go to my code. I will delete this bouncing down and right here rubber band. It's coming here, rubber band. Okay, now the animation will be rubber band. First it will wait for 2 second delay, then the rubber band effect will go for 3 seconds with a fading effect, which is 2 here. Let's see what happens. Build it, build completed. Now we will go to emulator. We will run our app. 2 second delay, then animation with a rubber band effect and a feeding effect. We'll again play that. You can see there is a fading effect. It will fade in because its visibility is 0, then it's coming. This is because we have done the fading effect true. If we want to remove this effect, we can simply set it to false. Just go to the code, delete this true, write false, and Now simply run it. Sorry, build it. It's built. Now we will check the emulator. Run our app. It will wait for 2 seconds. Now the animation is done without any fitting, simply a rubber band animation. So now you get it why this true or false was there for the fitting effect. You can also set some other animation. We'll try the another one. Here we'll try flipping X animation. It's a good, it's my favorite animation. Simply copy it, or if you don't copy it, then you can also get autocomplete out here. I will flip in X. Simply build it. Our build is complete. Now we'll check emulator. Run the app. Wait for 2 seconds. And it's a flip in X animation. It's flip in X means it's flipping according to the X axis. Okay, you can also try some other animations and change delay time or duration time and check all these animation, and rest we will cover in another tutorial. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.